Have you ever noticed that as people grow older, their legs do not feel as strong as they once were? Walking upstairs feels more difficult. Standing for long periods is exhausting, and even simple movements can seem challenging. This is not just a part of aging that must be accepted. Weak legs can lead to instability, a greater risk of falls, and loss of independence. But what if the right foods could make a difference? What if certain nutrients could help bring back strength, improve balance, and make daily activities easier? There are specific foods that can help rebuild muscle, improve circulation, and provide the right support for stronger legs. If you are wondering what they are, stay with me as I reveal 6 powerful foods that can make a real impact. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I recommend you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. 1. Salmon. Muscle loss in aging individuals is common, but salmon is a rich source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are essential for muscle maintenance and repair. Protein helps rebuild muscle fibers, while omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation, which is a common issue affecting mobility. The combination of these nutrients improves muscle function and may even help prevent muscle loss over time. Salmon also contains vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a role in maintaining bone strength. Strong bones provide better support for leg muscles, reducing the risk of fractures. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to weakened bones and muscles, increasing the likelihood of falls and injuries. Consuming salmon regularly ensures a steady intake of this essential nutrient. Another important component of salmon is astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscles from oxidative stress. This means that it can aid in recovery after physical activity, reducing soreness and improving endurance. For best results, aim to include salmon in meals at least twice a week. Grilled, baked, or steamed options ensure maximum nutrient retention without adding unhealthy fats. Pairing salmon with leafy greens or a side of quinoa enhances its muscle-building benefits. 2. Spinach. Weakness in the legs is often linked to deficiencies in key minerals like magnesium and potassium. Spinach is loaded with these essential minerals, making it a great choice for improving leg strength. Magnesium supports muscle contractions and prevents cramps, while potassium helps maintain proper fluid balance and reduces the risk of muscle fatigue. Spinach is also high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow. Better circulation means that muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to function more effectively. This is particularly important for older individuals, as poor circulation can lead to numbness, tingling, or heaviness in the legs. Additionally, spinach is a good source of iron, which is needed for production of red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to muscles, ensuring they have the energy to function properly. An iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness, making it harder to stay active. Whether added to smoothies, salads, or cooked dishes, this leafy green is an excellent addition to a diet focused on leg strength. Cooking spinach lightly enhances its nutrient availability, ensuring that the body absorbs the maximum amount of vitamins and minerals. 3. Greek yogurt. One of the key reasons for muscle weakness is inadequate protein intake. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein that helps rebuild and repair muscles. It also contains calcium, which supports bone health and contributes to better overall leg function. Strong bones provide a stable foundation for muscles, reducing the risk of fractures and instability. In addition, Greek yogurt contains probiotics that help with digestion and nutrient absorption. When the digestive system functions well, the body can absorb more vitamins and minerals that contribute to muscle strength. Poor gut health can lead to inflammation and nutrient deficiencies, both of which affect muscle function. Greek yogurt is also rich in vitamin B12, an essential nutrient that helps with energy production and nerve function. Weak legs may sometimes be a result of vitamin B12 deficiency, making this food an important part of a diet aimed at maintaining strength. For best results, choose plain Greek yogurt without added sugars and combine it with fruits or nuts for an extra nutrient boost. Pairing Greek yogurt with berries provides additional antioxidants that help fight inflammation, while adding seeds like flax or chia increases omega-3 intake. 4. Eggs. Eggs are often considered one of the best sources of high-quality protein. Each egg contains essential amino acids that the body needs to repair and maintain muscle mass. They also contain vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and energy production. Weak legs may sometimes be a result of vitamin B12 deficiency, making eggs an important food for those experiencing muscle fatigue. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that supports brain function and muscle coordination. Proper coordination between the brain and muscles is essential for balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls. In addition to protein, eggs are rich in leucine, a branched-chain amino acid that plays a key role in muscle repair and growth. This makes them an excellent post-exercise food for rebuilding muscle fibers. Whether boiled, scrambled, or made into an omelet, adding eggs to meals can help maintain muscle strength and energy levels. Combining eggs with vegetables like spinach or bell peppers provides additional vitamins and minerals that enhance muscle function. 5. Sweet potatoes. Leg strength depends not just on muscles, but also on energy levels. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. Unlike simple carbohydrates that cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, sweet potatoes offer sustained energy that helps keep the legs moving without feeling exhausted. In addition to their energy-boosting benefits, sweet potatoes contain vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which help reduce inflammation and support overall muscle recovery. Vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, which is important for maintaining strong tendons and ligaments that support leg muscles. Sweet potatoes also provide fiber, which supports digestive health and ensures proper nutrient absorption. A well-functioning digestive system is essential for breaking down food and delivering nutrients to muscles efficiently. They can be roasted, mashed, or added to soups for a nutritious and tasty meal. Combining them with a protein source, such as salmon or eggs, makes for a well-balanced meal that supports both energy and muscle health. 6. Almonds. Many people experience muscle weakness because their bodies lack sufficient vitamin E and healthy fats. Almonds are rich in both, helping protect muscle cells from damage and supporting proper muscle function. The healthy fats in almonds also support joint health, making movement smoother and more comfortable. Almonds are also a good source of magnesium, which plays a role in muscle relaxation and contraction. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle cramps and weakness, making almonds an excellent snack for those experiencing leg fatigue. Almonds also contain protein and fiber, which help maintain stable blood sugar levels and provide long-lasting energy. A handful of almonds each day can help improve muscle function and provide a natural energy boost. Eating them raw in almond butter or adding them to meals can make a noticeable difference in leg strength over time. Weak legs are not an unavoidable part of aging. The right nutrition can make a significant difference in strength, mobility, and overall quality of life. By choosing foods rich in protein, healthy fats, essential vitamins, and minerals, it is possible to support leg muscles and maintain independence for longer. Imagine walking without discomfort, standing for longer without feeling fatigued, and having the confidence to move without fear of falling. These 6 foods can be the key to unlocking stronger, healthier legs. Which of these will you add to your meals today? Stay tuned for more ways to keep your body strong and active. If this video has helped you, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss life-changing health tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.